Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide Snapchat score, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide the Snapchat score, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to hide your Snapchat score. And from this interface guys, at the top left corner of the screen there is your Bitmoji icon at the top left. Tap over there, and on this section guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the settings or the gear icon. Tap on it and scroll down from over here until you can find the privacy controls. And there is the thing you need to know guys, that is only the contact which will be able to contact you will be able to see your Snapchat score. That means guys, you can see there is the contact me option available for us. Tap on over there, and over here your friends and contacts are able to directly contact you on Snapchat. But if you want to hide your Snapchat score, you will be able to hide your Snapchat score from everybody except your friends. So let's tap on friends and let's tap on OK. And this way guys, you will only be contactable by friends on your Snapchat account, and this way your Snapchat score or Snap score will be hidden from everybody else. And with that being said guys, this is how to hide Snapchat score on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.